Do keep an eye on your Airbnb competition. If you are doing it manually now, I will tell you about the website which is used by many professional hosts to spy on their competition. Watch this video to the end and you will receive detailed instructions how to keep an eye on your competition automatically. On my channel, in near future, I'll be covering following topics: Airbnb life hacks which made me thousands of dollars, how to make money off your competition, 5 main reasons why you might not be getting 95% occupancy, how to create best performing listing names, how I deal with bad guests, etc. Make sure you subscribe to my channel now so you don't miss out on interesting topics. All you have to do is to create a list of properties you consider your competition and enter it on my website www.yourrentalprofit.com. It's really easy. Whenever anyone from your list gets a booking, you will receive email notification. If someone changes the prices, you will know it too. Let me show you how it works in 1 minute. Here you add links to your properties you consider your competition and run data update. Here you go. You will see all the prices of your competition, their settings, what is available for any specific date. Knowing all this information, I was able to double my profits and make money off my competition. Having this information, you will easily see when you should raise or lower your prices to be very competitive in your market, get the most bookings, and make money on your neighbors. The website is in development phase right now, so I can allow only a limited number of people to use it. To register on the website, you'll need access code. So ask me in the comments below this video for access code and I will provide it within 5 minutes.